going on, everybody? Welcome back to the JRD Motorsports vlog. It is a Wednesday night, supposedly the last night before winter finally arrives. We are here in the shop, and tonight we are going to be getting the rest of the crush panels done on this. We are taking the rest of our new to us panels off of Rick's car, and then maybe we'll start mocking the front end of the car up. And we're gonna get the rear bumper back. Or not back, we're gonna build a brand new rear bumper for the car. And make sure it's nice and strong, because hopefully that's what the rest of the field's gonna be looking at all season long. So that's the plan. And you guys say, Rob's already, I was gonna say let's dive into it. Rob's already hard at work down there. So I guess we should all do something instead of looking at the camera. So let's go.
Up red. Well, right there.
That's my finger right there now. Just hang on a sec. Okay.
Oh.
Yep, just slight dab. Yep. Jamie working? Is that what you want a video of Jamie actually working? Is that what you're trying to get?
We're gonna put them down on the ground and we don't want to get out.
The last crush panel.
Yep.
Getting her, Jim?
Just pounding rivets in until it stays by itself.
Just keep pounding them. You getting her?
Half doing it blind.
Well, whatever. Way to go, Rick. Said it before, I'll say it again. Greatest tool in the world. Just don't try and get in the car on cars like this. Well, it's probably
separate numbers?
It's a lot of work.
Jay will be happy now.
What?
Number 8.
Oh! Hurry up, good enough. Oh, there we go. I can't believe someone on our team chooses Kyle. You know that? Oh my god.
He's kind of like a lot of NASCAR drivers. The older they get, the more they're like.
Everyone hated Gordon until he got older. I mean, some people still hate him, but
Well, yeah. You'll always have people who don't know what they're talking about.
yeah, you always have people who hate the car.
I was never a Gordon fan.
What?
What?
But I do respect that he was a very good driver.
Comment below. Who's your favorite NASCAR driver of all time? And also, who's the best NASCAR driver of all time? I understand that's a stupid conversation because they're different. Like, you can't compare Petty to Earnhardt to Gordon, but in your opinion, who's the best?
And you can have your favorite that doesn't have to
you
be
got
the
a
best.
favorite. Did I pop a ribbon? Did I ever mention I hate spray paint?
Yeah, but you really like the red one. You really like the red space.
Oh yeah. Can't believe I paid like $40 a can for them.
Not enough for that. You could have just powder coated the car.
Don't get me going. That's it for another night here in the shop. We appreciate everybody tuning in. We got a lot done tonight. Put in a couple extra hours and got everything on the list done. I don't think there's anything we didn't do that we said we wanted to do tonight, is there?
Pretty close.
Crush panels are done, rear bumper bar, everything's done. Rest of the stuff's welded on the chassis. Got some 88s taken off.
That wasn't even on the list.
It wasn't even on the list. Appreciate everyone clicking on this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If everyone who watches this clicks the subscribe button, we'll be famous in no time. Probably not, but click subscribe anyways. We appreciate it. Check out jdmotorsports.ca for all the latest and greatest with our race team, and make sure you check us out TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I don't remember any other one, any other social media channel. We're on all of them, so make sure you click them, and we'll be back out here soon with another shop video.